Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track a Temu order. If you have placed an order on Temu and want to check its delivery status, you can simply track a Temu order. Firstly, open the Temu app, and from here what you need to do is you need to tap the U icon in the bottom, that's your profile icon, and from your profile page you need to simply tap your orders here to view your recent purchases. And over here you can find the order that you want to track and tap on it to open the order details if you have. And on the order page you will see the current shipping status such as processing, shipped, in transit, out for delivery or delivered. And that is it. And for more detailed tracking information you can simply follow the on-screen instruction, tap the track or track package. You will be able to view your package latest location, shipping updates and estimated delivery date. And that is it. That's how you can track a Temu order by checking your order details and tracking updates. You will always know where your package is and when it is expected to arrive. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.